course. Any new cat is a blessing for Greenwood clan. He reminds me of the elegant Venus flytrap jaws, poisoned and ready to protect Greenwood clan. Besides that, I don't mind if he gets most of the traits from his father. Come on, let's go outside and play. Thank you for coming so quickly, Dandelion Mane. You can't go to your apprentice ceremony looking like that. Glad you're excited to see me. I need to get ready for my ceremony. We were ambushed. I want to be a medicine cat so I can pick flowers. I'm okay. Just shaken up. Only way I'll be the best warrior, right? Fine. I'll be your deputy.